In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice template in Xero. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or accountant, having a custom invoice template can save you time and keep your brand consistent. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you're all set up in no time. First things first, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Once you've signed in, you'll want to select the organization you're working in. This is important because it's where your invoices will be associated and helps keep everything organized within Xero. Next, head over to the invoice settings. To get there, locate your organization's name at the top left corner of your Xero dashboard. From the drop-down, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, you'll find an area labeled Features or Sales, and from there, click on either Invoice Settings or Branding Themes. It's worth noting that these names might differ slightly depending on how your Xero account is configured, but you're looking for the section that lets you manage how invoices are styled. Now, with the Invoice Settings page open, you're on the brink of creating or customizing a branding theme, which is essentially your invoice template. On this page, you'll see a list of any existing templates. These templates control how your invoices will look and can be tailored to fit different scenarios or brands within your business. To add a new design from scratch, you're going to click on New Branding Theme, or it might be labeled New Template. Go ahead and give your new template a descriptive name, like Standard Invoice, UK, or Consulting Services Template. This helps you quickly identify the template when you need it later on. With your template ready to be customized, you now have access to the template editor. Here is where the magic happens. You can start by uploading your company logo and selecting your brand's colors. This ensures that your invoices look professional and match your company's visual identity. You also have the option to choose which fields will appear on the invoice. You may want to include essential details like the tax number, purchase order number, and shipping address. Make sure to adjust the layout, fonts, and margins based on what Xero allows to ensure everything fits nicely on your final document. Finally, remember to edit the payment instructions, terms, and any footer text. This is crucial as each invoice should tell your customers not only how much they owe, but also how they can pay and what terms you're offering. Once you're satisfied with how your template looks, you'd typically save and then apply this new branding theme to your invoices. This will streamline your billing process, making it efficient and reliable. That's it. You've created a custom invoice template from scratch, helping your business present itself clearly and professionally for each transaction. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing.